Howdy friends, welcome to another episode of The Blues Heart Biker. Hey everybody, welcome to the Blues Heart Biker channel. Alright, if you're tuning in for the first time, thanks. I hope you enjoy what you see. My name's John, I'm the Blues Heart Biker, and this is my channel and it's about me having a good time. So hopefully you're going to have one too. If you have been here before, I'm glad you tuned back in. I think it's great. Thanks for checking in with me and tuning in. Today, I am going to take my Softail down to Dyna Joe. Dyna Joe's a Harley shop here in town. He's a Harley mechanic here in Fresno. And it seems to be running kind of hot. Like real hot. And the other day when I was riding it, I gave it the gas to pass somebody and it just kind of felt like I had a governor on it, just and I didn't like the way that felt. It's been running a little funny lately, so I don't know. I don't want to get too deep into that kind of tuning stuff. I don't do that stuff, so I'm gonna see if maybe it needs to be tuned. Kind of feels like I might be running a little lean. You know, why I say I'm gonna have them go over it, make sure everything's cool with it, you know. But anyhow, let's go, let's roll. If you haven't yet, why don't you hit that subscribe button for me, and also that thumbs up, and also that bell. That bell's gonna let you know whenever I upload new content every Tuesday, every Saturday. I missed last Tuesday, but sorry about that. But anyways, I try not to do that. But do those things for me and I would really appreciate it. We're gonna take the Softail in now. I'm gonna ride over and we'll have a little chat while I ride, all right? And my brother's gonna help me out, ride me over there, so let's do this. All right.
Well, hopefully I got this audio figured out. I don't understand what the deal is with it. I got a brand new microphone. And it hasn't worked right since.
All right, well today's sticker trade shout out goes out to dsjoyrides. Yeah, dsjoyrides. They're from Dallas, Texas, and it's Dave and Stephanie. And Dave has a new Road Glide, and Stephanie rides a switchback, a Dyna switchback, and they're longtime riders, originally from Iowa, and they live in North Dallas area of Texas now. And they sent me these great stickers. Look at all these cool stickers, and a refrigerator magnet. And how cool does that get? All right, so they like to ride and film their rides, and I'm going to put a description to their social media right here on the screen, and you can check them out. It's dsjoyrides. They also sent me this really nice letter, and thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. I got to step my sticker trade game up. Mine's pretty plain brown wrapper, and but I do what I can. But I always appreciate when I get great stuff from cool riders. And Dave and Stephanie, thank you so much for the sticker trade. I really do appreciate it. All right, that's it for sticker trade shout out. And if you want to get involved in the sticker trade shout out, my address is going to be in the description below. Send your stickers along and I'll send you some back, and you'll get your stickers featured on the sticker trade shout out.
Day 3.
All right, well, hey, we're back. A couple days have gone by. I got my bike back, my Softail. Took it to Dyna Joe, as we saw earlier in the episode. He found a few things, little things wrong with it, but really nothing too crazy. As I suspected, these 96 twin cams, you know, the 96 cubic inch twin cams tend to run a little hot. I've read that. There's reasons why they do run a little hot. And so they do run a little hot. They get a little hot quicker. And there is a sensor on these things. If the motor gets too hot, it will choke the motor down. It's like puts it in limp mode. So what happened was, you know, I'd given it the gas one day when I went to pass somebody, and it just moved and caught up with itself and, you know, started up again. And I hadn't been riding it very long, and it wasn't that hot. And he thought maybe it might be that sensor, so he put a new sensor in it, adjusted my primary chain tensioner. It's an automatic adjuster, but he said it was just right on the edge of adjusting itself, and he went ahead and popped it up one more notch so that it was tight on there, you know, tightened it up, put a little more tension on the primary chain. Found a few other little things loose on it, like some cosmetic stuff, like the covers that go over the exhaust pipes. The clamps were loose on those, and he tightened them all up, found a couple little things rattling. And other than that, you know, serviced it for me, cleaned it up. So other than that, he said it's running real good. So everything is cool with the Softail. So that's some good news. And it actually feels like it's running better. He serviced it for me, and, you know, they always seem like they run a little better after you take them in. Today, I'm going to go ahead and tackle the Sportster. Now, the Sportster is a mess as usual. You know, I never seem to pay enough attention to this poor little bike. So we're going to get in here and see if we can get it started. I haven't started it in a long time. It's completely out of gas. Like, I'm talking, the tank is bone dry. So I got some gas today, and I'm going to put some gas in this thing and see if we can fire it up, clean it up a little bit too. It's just, look at it, I feel so guilty. It's just terrible. I'm a terrible guy. But this is a beautiful motorcycle, you know. I mean, it needs its come up its here. I don't know what I said. But it needs some attention, and I think I'm going to do that today. So let's do it. All right. That's a good sign.